Are you looking for the best massage gun? With so many options out there, it's hard to know which one to buy, which one suits you best, and which one actually fits your budget. In today's video, we'll cover the top 5 massage gun on the market so you can stop guessing and just pick the right one. Let's get started. All product links are in the description. Please continue watching the video. Let's get started. Number 5. Therabody Theragun Pro Plus. So you've been dealing with sore muscles after workouts or long days at your desk, and foam rolling just isn't cutting it anymore. Let me tell you about the Theragun Pro Plus. This isn't just a massage gun, it's a 6-in-1 wellness device. You get percussion therapy, vibration, and even a heated attachment that warms up to help loosen tight muscles before deep work begins. There's also a guided breathwork feature using built-in biometric sensors, which honestly feels like having a recovery coach in your hand. It delivers up to 60 pounds of force with quiet force technology, so it's powerful without waking up the whole house. The OLED screen and Bluetooth app integration let you customize routines easily. Battery life runs about 150 minutes. Now, it's a premium investment, but you're replacing multiple recovery tools with one device. Perfect for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone managing chronic tension. Worth every penny for serious recovery. Number 4. Hyperice Hypervolt 2 Pro. This massage gun operates at whisper-quiet levels, so you can use it while watching TV or even during a work call. The Hypervolt 2 Pro features quiet glide technology, which means powerful percussion without the annoying noise most massage guns produce. It delivers deep muscle treatment through a brushless motor with 5 speed settings, letting you customize pressure from gentle warm-up to intense deep tissue work. You get 5 interchangeable heads designed for different muscle groups: large flat for quads, bullet for trigger points, fork for the spine area. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue during longer sessions, which matters when you're working on multiple body parts. Battery life runs around 3 hours on a single charge. This is best suited for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone dealing with daily muscle tension or post-workout soreness. The build quality feels premium and durable. If this review helped, hit subscribe and check the link in the description. Number 3. Ekrin Athletics Bantam. The Ekrin Athletics Bantam stands out because it packs significant power into a handheld, lightweight frame. Weighing only 1 pound, the build feels sturdy and premium, utilizing high-quality materials that provide a comfortable grip. It features 3 speed settings reaching up to 3,200 revolutions per minute, delivering effective deep tissue relief. The 4 included attachments allow for versatile muscle targeting across the body. The battery life is impressive, lasting several hours on a single charge via USB-C. I was particularly struck by how quiet the motor remains even at the highest intensity. This makes it usable in public spaces without causing a disturbance. It fits easily into a gym bag or carry-on luggage, making it a reliable travel companion. This device is ideal for athletes or frequent travelers who need muscle recovery on the go. It offers great value through its balance of portability and performance. I recommend it for consistent daily use. Number 2. Therabody Theragun Mini 3rd Gen. Sore muscles after a long day and no time for proper massage. That's where this fits in. The Theragun Mini 3rd Gen is a compact percussion massage gun from Therabody. It's small enough to fit in your bag, but it actually delivers real muscle relief. It has 3 speed settings, so you can adjust the intensity based on how your body feels. The battery lasts up to 150 minutes, which covers several sessions before you need to charge it again. It's also quieter than most massage guns at this size, so you won't disturb people around you. What separates it from cheaper options is the build quality and Therabody's proven percussive therapy technology. You feel the difference in how it targets muscle tension. This is best for people who travel frequently, work long hours, or deal with regular muscle tightness and want quick on-the-go relief. Number 1. Theragun Therabody Elite 5th Gen. What if you could recover from muscle soreness in just 60 seconds? Sounds too good to be true, but hear me out. You know that awful tightness in your back after sitting at a desk all day? Or those sore legs after a tough workout that make even walking painful. Most of us just push through it, hoping it goes away. But it doesn't, and that constant tension builds up over time. That's exactly where the Theragun Elite changes everything. This powerful percussion massager goes deep into your muscles, hitting spots your hands simply can't reach. Whether it's your neck, shoulders, back, or feet, it targets the real source of pain and melts it away fast. The Bluetooth app even customizes intensity for your specific needs. No more suffering through soreness or booking expensive massage appointments. Your body deserves real relief. Check the link below and feel the difference yourself. Alright, if I had to pick just one from everything we covered today, I'd go with the Theragun Elite 5th General. It hits the sweet spot between serious performance, smart app integration, and real everyday usability, without going full pro-level overkill. It's the one most people will actually get the most out of. Links down in the description if you want to check it out. And if this helped you narrow things down, subscribing keeps more honest breakdowns like this coming your way.